Hello everyone, my name is Iris and I am the owner of this YouTube channel now, and I love to post about my pig, my goat and my chicken, and my content is all about that. And I'm not fluent in English. I'm I'm simple English only, and sometimes I I talk Bisaya, Tagalog, Ilonggo, and if you don't understand, just comment, and please like and share my video, and I hope you're watching me, okay? And don't bother, my tip is not complete, but I am shy with this, but no comment, and you know, pakapala na ng mukha na lang ito guys, no? So that's all, thank you.